So take a look with me at the courses page. What I have done over here on the left hand side is our old implementation of the courses page, and on the right hand side is the new implementation of the courses page. The right hand side of the courses page has removed our objects and stored them into an object repository. Now this has the benefit because our courses page now only deals with page manipulation, and our object repository is going to deal with object storage. If any of you are familiar with QTP, this is the kind of similar paradigm that they used to implement with their object repository. They used to have all the objects live in an object repository, and then you utilized all of those objects inside of your script utilizing the object repository. So that's the same thing that's happening here, and thanks to the object repository, we are now following the single responsibility principle because our courses page is only responsible for interacting with the page and not object storage. So you can see that our class has become a little bit smaller because now we don't need to store any elements like we do here on line 7. Also, when we initialize the page, we initialize it through a base page that gets created with a type of courses page object repository. Our constructor now creates our base page, and along with the creation of the base page, it creates a new instance of a courses page object repository. Finally, the other advantage that I believe this page object has is that now we have access to all of our objects related to this page using the object repository keyword. So rather than knowing the name of something like a sign-in link, for example, all we have to do is type in object repository, push the period, and then that's going to allow us to see all of the objects inside of the object repository related to this page. Now, that may be a little bit confusing, so let's go ahead and step through the code so that I can better show you exactly what's going on here.